What's up, guys? Charles here. Popular hardware manufacturer, Corsair, has finally launched its HXi SHIFT PSU series for retail, bringing a newer design to the table. The launch follows the RMX SHIFT series, which was launched a few months ago. The HXi SHIFT series is similar to the existing HXi in most aspects, but brings innovative solutions for a cleaner and more functional PC build. The HXi SHIFT PSUs offer their connectors at the side rather than on the back, enabling easier cable connectivity. Since connecting cables at the back after deploying the PSU inside a chassis can be challenging due to less clearance, having connectors on the side will simplify the connection process. This connector interface will have all the latest connectors, including the 16-pin power connector for GPUs as well. The PSUs are ATX 3.1 certified and PCIe 5.1 compliant, making them fit for modern high-end GPUs. By including a PVC cable kit with low-profile combs, users can have easier cable management since these can lie flat and will need less clearance. Apart from shifting the connectors on the side, Corsair took the opportunity and deployed a dedicated iCUE link system hub on the back. This can enable connecting up to 24 iCUE link devices, which allows users to configure and control their coolers, fans, and RGB lighting strips easily from one place. Since the HXi SHIFT PSUs are also iCUE compatible, users can utilize the popular Corsair iCUE software to control and monitor the system's performance easily. As far as the performance and reliability go, the HXi SHIFT PSUs are Cybenetics Platinum certified, which offer over 90% efficiency on typical loads and nearly 90% even at 100% load. These are also excellent when it comes to silent operation, and as per Corsair, 35 decibels A is the maximum noise level you should expect at full load. The HXi SHIFT series will bring 3 different wattage capacities for enthusiasts, including 1,000 watts, 1,200 watts, and 1,500 watts, which are also available on Amazon right now at $339, $399, and $459 respectively. The PSU units are now available worldwide through authorized retailers and distributors, and will ship with a 10-year warranty, and that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.